sélection des terres précieuses. Today we have Vert Vert Malachite. The perfumer behind this fragrance is Fabrice Pellegrin. And I thought it was interesting because I looked up some of the other fragrances that he created, and he has some pretty big name ones on there that have done quite well. So he has created Doxon for Diptyque, which is a really beautiful tuberose fragrance. He is also the nose behind Oud Bouquet, which is an incredible fragrance. And also, he's the nose behind Velvet Rose and Oud from Jomolo, which I like but don't love. But that's neither here nor there. Now, this fragrance retails for £245 for the 100ml bottle. The case is magnetic, as you can see, and 50 mils is 170. Now, when I first smelled this, I thought it was very beautiful, but initially I thought it might be too much for me. Too sweet, too heady, a little bit too overwhelming. But as I got to know it, I liked it more and more and more. So the top notes are bitter, orange, petit grand, and the middle notes are ylang ylang, jasmine, sambac, and pink pepper. And the base notes are lily, benzoin, and vanilla. So let's spray this, shall we? Again, these bottles are stunning. It's a very uplifting fragrance. Alright, let's see here. Oh gosh. If you like florals, big, beautiful. Gosh, I love lily, and this fragrance really has just got so many floral aspects going on. You can smell the lily. I almost get gardenia, even though that's not listed. Oh gosh, it's beautiful. And if like I said, florals are your favorite genre, they're not mine personally. I like florals, but I love oud and those kind of dark just become totally absorbed in this opulent, decadent custard, and you don't know where you stop, and the custard starts. Oh, it's all encompassing, like a thick, dense, sticky rainforest air, humid cloud surrounding you. And it sticks. Sticks to you like clothing on a hot summer's day. Now this also becomes quite powdery in the dry down. So, like I mentioned, lilies are one of my favorite flowers, and this smells like I'm wearing a bouquet of lilies with a touch of gardenia in there, and it's just fresh and divine. So if you like tropical florals, thick, buttery, heavy florals, I think you would really like this fragrance. It's not fresh smelling per se. It leans a little sweet due to the vanilla and benzoin. It's very blooming and opulent with fantastic longevity. 8 hours with a sillage of about 2 to 3 feet. And I think this is a unisex fragrance. And I always believe in wearing what you like, so I don't really subscribe to the idea of feminine and masculine fragrances. I think, wear what you like, This is a milky, heady, thick, creamy, custard, yellow, buttery, dense, tropical, green, sweet, sweet petals, heavy, sticky, humid,